Yeah, so guys, I'm going to review my Samsung Q2U, which was just delivered to me yesterday by Amazon. So if you come across this, don't forget to like and subscribe. So let's get into it now. Yeah, so this is it. I just removed it from the pack now. So I am going to unveil what we have inside the box. Yeah, wow. So this is the XLR cord. This cord, you can plug it to your audio interface or your mixer to give you or give your voice or your audio a better quality sound. So and that's that. And what do we have here? So yeah, this is the mic clip and the windscreen. With this windscreen, you can put it on top of your mic, and cover the explosive or the plosive sound like poof poof or peep peep. Aha. So yeah, so that's what we have there. And yeah, we have the USB cord. Wow, this USB cord is quite long and very strong. So and what do we have? Yeah, this is the tripod stand. Comes with a tripod stand. And with this, yeah, if you don't have a boom arm yet, you can start with this. And I think this at least gives us a beginner level, if you know what I mean. So yeah, I'm going to keep this aside. This mic comes with a polar pattern, which is a wonderful thing. This is the pouch, the Samsung pouch, where you can put your mic. If you can see the name, Samsung original. Yeah, let me see if I can see some dollars. Oops, nothing. Wow, what was I expecting? So let me put that aside. And what do we have here? What do we have? Yeah, this is the booklet or the instruction for the mic. And it's quite heavy, it's quite long. You can see it comes with a polar pattern, like I said earlier. This is it, polar pattern. Then these are the specifications. These are the specifications. I'm trying to show us very well. So yeah, and I think it also comes in several languages: Russia, Spanish, and the rest like that. So if English is not your lingua franca, you can understand it better. Then comes with another. This is Samsung Storyteller. I believe you can scan this barcode. Yeah, so that is that about that. And then we have the my key of the Samsung Q2U original. This is the Samsung Q2U, most popular mic on YouTube. Dynamic, captures your voice, eliminates voice at the background and at the side also. Side and background eliminates. One thing I love about this rubber is that if you hit or drop the mic on a hard surface, this rubber will minimize the impact the mic will face. So you can see Q2U Samsung. You can see, and this is the on and off button. This is the volume, the gain, and you can see the indications for the USB. They put an indication there. You can see for the headphone jack, as you can see. Yeah, so this is where you put your XR cord to connect your mixer. So this quality is okay, sleek, sturdy, very sturdy. So I'm going to put that aside and show us the other items we need to buy to use this mic and the price on Amazon. As you can see, it's $95. It wasn't the same yesterday, and I got this delivered to me, and I paid $497 in total, both delivery, both customs and everything. So if you are getting this delivered, be prepared for extra charges. So I'm going to show us the other items we need to buy or you need to buy to use with this mic to get your audio quality up and high and okay, so let's go. In addition, I had to purchase a pop filter, a boom arm, and a headphone jack. Yeah, in addition, if you want to use this mic with your phone or with your camera, you also need a OTG adapter. This is an OTG adapter. You can see it comes with a lightning head which you plug to your phone. There's a difference between this and the other one. The other one is smaller than this one. This one, the head is bigger than this one, so this is what you use to differentiate the both of them. Also, you might also need a USB hub. This is a USB hub, so I'm going to open that in a sec so you can see the head. So if you are new here, you come across the video, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like. I will also be unboxing my iPhone 12 and my RGB gadgets.